The goal is a unique business idea that will quickly and efficiently turn a courageous founder into a successful entrepreneur. Never before have so many startups sprung up. There are two main reasons for this: the increasing desire for independence and the low hurdles for starting a business. Expensive offices and data centers, for example, have become obsolete in times of the internet and the data cloud. In contrast, convincing self image and professional marketing are indispensable and decisive for the success of the newcomer. In this video, I'm going to break down 4 marketing tips for startups. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome to TechWine. I'm Malik, professional web developer, graphic designer, hardware technician, and financial advisor. If this is the first time you are in my video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. Tip number 1: preparations before launch. The basis of online marketing is the website, which above all should meet the requirements of successful SEO optimization. The first thing to do is to set up a structure. Website structure, URLs, website titles, internal links, etc. properly. The website content should be relevant and unique in order to be visible in the organic area of search engines or to rank very high for certain keywords in terms of conversion optimization. The structure and design of the website should be understandable, trust building, and user friendly. The result: if the user feels comfortable, he will be happy to continue looking around the site and ideally carry out the desired actions. Newsletter registration, information request, purchase of a product, and so on. In order to be able to optimally control the online marketing methods right from the start, they must be measurable. Big data are the new raw material of the online economy due to the technical analysis possibilities and should form the basis of all actions. In order to make data operationalizable, the data structure must be set up in a targeted manner and smooth tracking must be ensured. The tracking in turn should be linked to the merchandise management system so that later existing and new customer can be viewed separately from the start. The primary goal is to buy traffic that is valuable. Keyword: customer lifetime value. In addition, users can be mobilized through display advertising before the launch. With the help of banners, users are made aware of the website and asked to register for a newsletter or as a beta tester. For example, stage 2: launch brand building. That's the tip number 2. Once the website is live, online marketing methods should be used to build brands. The aim is to make the brand known and the guide users to the website. The second phase is primarily about the startup positioning its brand on the right pages and promoting brand awareness. Affiliate marketing. Entering into sales partnership with strong website is suitable for this. In content partnership, an attempt should be made to place content on the relevant pages and blogs. Since comparison portals and cashback sites are very popular with users, it is advisable to be present with your products there as well. This leads potential customer to the brand via the products themselves. To reach as many users as possible as quickly as possible, branding campaigns with banners should be used on high reach pages. In addition, placements on the topic related pages, display environments help to refine the target group approach. These methods introduce the interested parties to the products and the brand and increase the traffic on the site and ideally the sales. In addition, social media campaigns are highly recommended. including in video form on YouTube. In order to increase the overall reach, brand and non-brand campaigns should also be placed in the paid area of search engines. Level 3. Tip number 3, stage number 3, achieve sales and deals. If the company is finally well positioned, the third phase is the increase sales and deals and to turn website visitors into customers. It's important to address the users who have already viewed the website again with product and or services. For example, we are remarketing for search ads in the search engines. In this way, users who have already been to the website can be directed back to the shop with their own advertisements via paid search advertisements. Display retargeting campaigns are also an effective means of targeting website visitors again and bringing them back to the home page. Potential new customers should be addressed with performance display campaigns in order to continuously increase the traffic figures on the website. Continuous optimization of the websites under SEO aspects as well as the external linking of the own website via the thematically appropriate content link-based activities is indispensable. The result, the page is anchored in the minds of users and more relevant for search engines. At the same time, content placements in affiliate marketing should be expanded and where necessary, use more intensively important. All activities in the different channels should be continuously evaluated and optimized based on the existing tracking data. Level 4, stage 4, tip number 4, profit maximization. This lays the foundation for the success of the startup. Now, the motto is increase profits. For this purpose, the online marketing goal should be adapted to the overall strategy and, if necessary, redefined. First and foremost, emphasis should be placed on continuously optimizing, tracking, and recording all activities along the customer journey in a granular manner. For example, at the publisher level, the aim is to shift or concentrate the advertising budget to where the highest efficiency can be expected. This can be achieved by using traffic analysis to find out where the most valuable traffic is coming from. In this display and search engine area, it makes sense to continue the campaigns, considering the medium and long term goals to further increase performance. It is important to optimize the cost benefit factor and, if necessary, redistribute the budget to the channels. Continuous tests are still on the agenda for the website. It should always be oriented to the needs of the user and thus guide the traffic through conversion optimization. In addition, the content should be disseminated through the aforementioned link based activities. This also applies to the affiliate partnership, especially to the activities at the back of the customer journey, such as voucher and cashback cooperations. The continuous monitoring of the traffic in combination with quickly implemented optimization measures ensures that the marketing measures contribute to constant profit maximization. Conclusion: every beginning is difficult. To ensure that the founding of company does not turn into early insolvency, startups need as well to have business plan and financial potential and professional marketing. Before the launch, there is above all the construction of an optimized company website with relevant content in order to be visible in the generic area of search engines. As soon as the homepage is live, the brand must be made known via online marketing measures, and users must be guided to the website once the company has been positioned and frequented. Page 3 has the task of further increasing sales and converting visitors into paying customers. Online marketing measures used up to now should now be checked and further developed in order to optimize the cost benefit factor. This last piece is never completed in the best case scenario, and is an important factor if a startup is to become a successful company. That's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, give me a comment, ask me any question, share this with others, and remember to subscribe. I'm Malik with TechWine. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye for today.